Clinical decision support is not just a buzz phrase, but a crucial element in achieving what needs to get done in this rapidly transforming healthcare system. So I wanted to give a brief overview of what clinical decision support is and how it can be useful to us in achieving the triple aim, and then briefly review a mock-up of a smartphone application that allows one to calculate the correct interval for surveillance after removing a polyp during a colonoscopy performed on an average risk patient. So, what is clinical decision support? It's a process for enhancing health related decisions and actions with pertinent, organized clinical knowledge and patient information to improve health and healthcare delivery. The components of a clinical decision support system include information recipients, who may include patients, clinicians, and others involved in patient care delivery. The type of information delivered can be general clinical knowledge and guidance, intelligently processed patient data, or a mixture of both. Information delivery formats include data and order entry facilitators, filtered data displays, reference information that can be general or specific, and alerts. How can clinical decision support help us? Mainly, this is a strategic tool for achieving priority care delivery objectives, including compliance with performance-driven metrics that will be used for innovative payment models, including ACOs, bundling, gain sharing, and shared savings. It can also be used to help achieve the triple aim of improved care for individuals, improved health for populations, and reduce costs through enhancing patient safety, reducing medical errors, increasing efficiency, and other performance enhancements. Now, what you see here is a mock-up of a smartphone application, again, for determining what the correct surveillance interval is after removal of a polyp. The first screen, one chooses the type of polyp that was removed. If a hyperplastic polyp or polyps are removed, one clicks Next. The correct surveillance interval is every 10 years. If an adenoma is removed, first choose the pathologic type, tubular or villous. In this case, we'll choose tubular. Was high-grade dysplasia present? The answer is no. One then would enter the largest size polyp as well as the number. Here, for argument's sake, we'll put 8 millimeters and 3 polyps removed. The report recommends a 3-year surveillance interval. Now, if we change the number of polyps to 2, you can see that the interval changes to every 5 to 10 years. Now, what if high-grade dysplasia is present? You can see that the recommended surveillance interval drops to 3 years. Now, serrated polyps, which are becoming a more recognized entity, for which the percolation of knowledge as to how to deal with these has not yet reached the community. Here, you can choose the type of serrated polyp, either sessile or traditional. If a traditional is present, we'll say no dysplasia. Again, we'll choose 8 millimeters. And you can see the recommended surveillance interval is 3 years based on that pathology. Now, if we simply choose a sessile serrated polyp with no dysplasia, and the size is 8, then the recommended follow-up is 5 years. So as you can see, this is a very simple menu-driven program that allows the physician at the point of care to enter accurate data into the electronic or paper record as to the correct follow-up from a surveillance standpoint. The surveillance interval is now a PQRS measure under Medicare, as well as an ambulatory surgery center quality measure. This again is just one example of the value of an easy-to-use clinical decision support application. There will be broader applications that can be developed in this vein, including the use of anticoagulants and the correct interval for discontinue of anticoagulants prior to an invasive procedure. I thank you for your time.